Mac Power CNC Machines presents Mac Power on the move, always. Welcome to the world of machine excellence. Welcome to Mac Power CNC Machines Private Limited. As they say, machine tools are mother machines, for they produce machines that manufacture most of the products around us. But what makes Mac Power different from others is the speed at which it performs. Fastest ever CNC machines from the fastest growing CNC machines company. It has registered 100% growth last year. This meteoric growth is a result of Mac Power's vision for excellence to manufacture state-of-the-art products adopting the best technology. A well-facilitated design and R&D department uses latest generation of Pro E 3D CAD software, ensuring ultimate strength at all stages. The ergonomic designs of these machines make them easy to operate. Mac Power designs and builds the widest range of CNC machines, which include the Turner centers and the vertical machine centers. The most striking feature of Mac Power machines is their stunning looks. And this stylish range of machines is made here at company's state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, spread across the sprawling campus of 4 acres in Metoda GIDC near Rajkot. FE analysis of critical machine structure gets carried out, thereby improving the reliability of the product. Laser calibration and ball bar test are some of the stringent quality controls that each machine has to go through, in accordance with international standards. The most important aspect of Mac Power range of machines is its 45-degree slant bed design that provides maximum rigidity. Mac Power offers a range of 5 turning centers under its flagship Speed series. Speed LX 200, Speed LX 200 Super, Speed LX 1000, Speed VX 165, Speed GX 100. Whereas, under Vertical Machining Centers category, Mac Power offers a range of 3 machines under its flagship Speed series. Speed V433, Speed V645, Speed V1066. Mac Power CNC machines, maximum rigidity, maximum yield. Speed LX200, manufacturing excellence. Small body that packs a big punch. Speed LX200 Super, a step ahead of excellence. Machine with extra swing over bed, more distance between centers and has more turning length than the LX200. Speed LX1000, the jumbo performer. It has a huge 1000 mm turning length to handle job of any magnitude with consistent precision. A highly durable and maintenance-free 828 cartridge type spindle with front bearing. It comes with dual advantage of high rigidity and supreme stiffness. Speed VX 165, wheels of innovative technology. Machine bed is designed and analyzed in such a way that it can be used for continuous critical hard turning application. Speed GX 100, high quality, faster productivity. Headstock is providing with the fins on the outside to increase the surface area for better head dissipation. Speed V645, machining center of excellence. The machine with 20-tool twin-arm ATC with the capacity to hold up 20 tools enables uninterrupted operation. Speed V433, machining center most suitable for smaller molds. Speed V1066, machining center ideal for bigger size and heavy components. The group works under the stewardship of a highly educated, vivacious and dynamic entrepreneur, Mr. Rupesh Mehta, the group president. His experience of over 2 decades has made Mac Power transform from a small-scale industry to a new-age, technology-driven conglomerate with global perspective. The company's Vice President, Mr. Jitendra Mehta's precision and proficiency has led the design and development department to new scales. Mac Power believes in developing products that enable a breakthrough improvement of productivity. Today, Mac Power is a leader in India with advanced technological production plant, well-planned marketing strategy, aggressive sales force network, strong CNC technical service support, fast delivered equipment and inventory parts. Mac Power is all set to become global player in CNC machine tools industry. Mac Power on the move, always.